Once upon a time, in a small village in Poland, there lived a young girl named Marie. Marie was unlike any other child in the village. She had a thirst for knowledge and was always asking questions about the world around her. Her parents noticed her love for learning and did everything in their power to encourage and support her. As she grew older, Marie became more and more interested in science and mathematics. She was particularly drawn to the study of physics and chemistry. She knew that she wanted to make a difference in the world through her scientific discoveries and was determined to turn her passion into a career. Despite the challenges she faced as a woman in a male-dominated field, Marie persevered and went on to study at the Sorbonne in Paris. It was there that she met her husband, Pierre Curie, who was also a scientist. Together, they made groundbreaking discoveries in the field of radioactivity, including the discovery of two new elements, polonium and radium. Marie's work earned her international recognition and she was awarded her first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in any field. She later went on to win a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, in 1911, making her the first person to win two Nobel Prizes in different fields. Marie's work continues to shape our understanding of the natural world and her legacy lives on. She was not only a brilliant scientist but also a role model for women and a champion of equality. Her story inspires people to never give up on their dreams, no matter the obstacles, and to use their knowledge and skills to make a positive impact on the world.